How does freedom look like as realized by the United States? What will the White House do for bringing democracy to the third world countries? And how many people should die to make the West decide that the world no longer needs to be saved? The organizers of Vladikavkaz Museum of US and NATO's victims raised this question. The idea of organizing such an exhibition belongs to the members of public association РСО-Алания. They note that the exhibition is meant to remind the international community what follows after America's attempts to democratize the whole world.
North Ossetia is a multinational republic where more than 90 nationalities live. Together we create the movement Our Ossetia. We represent not only North Ossetia, we also have contacts with foreign countries through our National Cultural Society. We have information about the situation in different countries, about their points of view, about the events that have happened, and we are sure that simple people all over the world, including USA, think the same way. All of them are against the forced intervention in Ukraine.
Photos of places where the armed forces of the United States left their terrible mark are on display at the National Scientific Library. Their geography is quite vast: Vietnam, Yugoslavia, Serbia, Libya, Afghanistan and Iraq. The photo coverage of the Georgian and South Ossetian conflict takes a special place at the exhibition. Then hundreds of civilians became victims of the 5-day war. Seniors of one of Vladikavkaz schools came to the opening. They expressed their opinion about Barack Obama's policy in English. They wrote a joint letter to the White House.
I want to say that we are all here today to write the letter to the American President Barack Obama. All of us worry about the people who live in Ukraine, and I want to say that we support the demonstration of Ukrainian people. We know that Ukrainian people don't want any wars. We know that Ukrainian people want to live under the blue sky and under the bright sun. We have written that America shouldn't intervene to the Ukraine, that American president should think about people who live there. We want the American president to know that nobody wants the war.
Ossetia for Peace is the motto of the exhibition visitors. The same hashtag has been already actively spread through the internet. The organizers are confident that the unusual North Ossetian exhibition will be followed not only in Russia, but also far beyond its borders. Fatima Makiyeva, Alla Venediktova, Ossetia TV.